The Yellow Tang Zebrasoma flavescens often engage in a mutualistic relationship with cleaner fish such as cleaner wrasses. They visit cleaning stations, where the cleaner fish remove parasites and dead skin from their bodies, which helps maintain their health. These fish are herbivores and play a crucial role in controlling algae growth on coral reefs. They use their sharp, comb-like teeth to graze on algae, which helps keep the reef environment balanced and healthy. Yellow tangs can change their coloration depending on their mood and time of day. At night, they often turn a pale color with a noticeable white stripe running from their eyes to their tail, which helps them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. They are known to be territorial, especially males. They establish and defend their territories aggressively from other fish. This behavior ensures they have sufficient access to food resources within their area. While often seen alone or in small groups, yellow tangs can sometimes be found in large schools, particularly during spawning or in areas with abundant food resources. Schooling provides them with better protection from predators. During spawning season, males perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females. They may exhibit rapid swimming, color changes, and specific body movements. Spawning usually occurs at dusk, with pairs rising towards the surface to release eggs and sperm. Juvenile yellow tangs are known to inhabit different areas compared to adults. They often seek shelter in shallow, protected waters with plenty of algae to feed on, while adults prefer deeper, open reef environments. Yellow tangs secrete a special mucus coating over their bodies, which serves multiple purposes. This mucus layer acts as a protective barrier against parasites and infections, helps in reducing friction while swimming, and can also make them less palatable to potential predators.